All right, Boyd, we have a special surprise. Right here's the man. This is Ben, the main man from Bybit, and guess where I'm at, folks? I am at the Bybit location, and this place is kick-ass. I don't even know where to start. I'm actually kind of nervous, but you know, the first thing that anyone who comes to a new exchange, you know, you think there's just like a couple people in some little office somewhere, some shack, and that is not the case here, folks. We've got a team of like 50, 60 people. Everyone want to say hello. We got all our masks on and everything. Woo, go Bybit. Look at all these people. It's like a football field in here. Shit's going crazy. They got IT people out the wazoo. Shit gets done so fast here. They got rooms with drawings and charts and everything. Big mix of people here from all over the world. I mean, my heart's pumping, man. Like, everyone's awesome. Hello. Hello. Everyone's friendliest people in China I've met so far. They actually say hello and everything. And so, man, I don't even know what to say. Just when I came into the office, I was super excited just to see everyone. Everyone's hard at work. They got a lot of young, smart people. This place is awesome, and so it's a chill place, good environment, everyone's happy. They got little beanbag chairs so their people can chill or sleep here to work overtime. They get things done so fast, but man, I'm super happy. A lot of I don't know, they're just doing everything right. I really think that Bybit is going to be #1. They're already #1 in my book. Their order book's crazy. I mean, they're already at like 400K on both sides on the #1 order. All these people are working. They're all wearing masks today just for us. And man, I'm happy. Just look at all these people, man. No one does it like them. Fastest improving. And so for everyone that's looking for something new, if you're tired of getting screwed and fucked over from BITUNIX, and excuse my French, but how much money have you lost from overload, not being able to move in an intense market? You'll believe it when you try it. When the price is moving and you're able to get in, get out with no problems, like, man, it opens up so much more opportunity. And so I think we're gonna start seeing Bybit climb up the ranks. Arthur Hayes and those guys already know what's up. You know that when they're dodging questions on Bybit, there's a video of some YouTuber that was interviewing him, and he was asked about Bybit, and the first thing he did was not answer the question. He's talking about CME and other stuff. So that's when you know that Bybit is a serious threat to all the other competition. So I've moved all of my Bitcoin and ETH to Bybit. You guys already know that. I'm not going to tell you what to do, but this is the real deal, guys. This isn't just some shack somewhere. These guys have experience. They come from one of the largest Forex trade platforms, and I don't know, we're lucky to find this company, and so I know it's only going to get bigger. This place reminds me of like Silicon Valley, you know what I'm saying? And so as far as I know, everyone's happy, happy to be here. Just like I'm happy to be here and happy to trade. And so, yeah, they're adding more coins. Had a meeting with all the founders and everything. I've worked with a lot of companies of all kinds, from small to big to corporate. And I've never worked with a company that listens to their market more than Bybit. And that's probably like the #1 key to success, in my opinion. That's why I think Bybit's #1. So I know, you know, these other exchanges, you guys have been hitting me up, you know, asking for my help, and you kind of haven't been following through. Your time might be closing. I might be an exclusive Bybit guy. Because there just isn't any other competition, man. So, one more time, do you guys all want to say hello and goodbye? Yay! Yeah! So let's go, Bybit. We're going to keep kicking ass. Thank you, everybody. You guys are fucking awesome. All the work that you do, you have saved me and made me thousands of dollars. BITUNIX, you took all my referrals and screw everyone on overloading. You guys are lying when you say that the overloading is an accident or like it's not on purpose. You guys are doing that stuff on purpose, and I don't mind saying it because I know I got these guys to back me up. So thank you, Bybit. Yay!
Yeah!